I'm Abhijit Yadav. Actually, I'm a NRI. I work in Germany as a petroleum engineer. So it's been 6 years I'm staying in Germany. But my family, basically, I'm from Solapur, and my family, my mother, father, and my brother, they still live in Solapur. So I come here once a year for 4 weeks or 1 month. In Lanson, we have purchased just one plot. It's on Vijapur Road. Actually, my brother purchased it on my behalf or our behalf. Yeah. To be honest, the experience was really good. In real estate market, the most important thing is the documents and the clear titles, NA. All these things are really important and critical. I have been looking to invest in real estate from last 3 to 4 years in Solapur, but everywhere I went, I was a bit hesitant because of the documents were not clear. There was no history, or sometimes the owners were not giving NA, or they were just giving promises and no any hard or solid things. So because of that, I kept my money with me, and I was trying to invest in real share market and some other schemes, and that was the thing which was keeping me away from the investing into the open plot. But everybody knows that nowadays, because of the increasing population of India, we have limited resource of the land, and it's going to be definitely going to be more important than the gold. So everybody is going ahead and looking to invest into the real estate or in the land or in flats or open plots. So basically, yeah, I was also doing the same thing, but because of the lack of trust with the people, I couldn't do it. But when I came across Lanson because of my brother, and he told me that they have all the documents, all the history, the titles are clear, the land is NA, so there was not so much of stress to go ahead and buy the property from the Lanson. So I'm really impressed with the style of their business, the kind of treatment they give to their customers. They give a lot of confidence to the buyers, which is a really important thing. And I guess they are doing quite good job in Solapur, as well as I guess in some other cities across India. Yeah, actually, I have some friends, even relatives who are dealing with the land, buying and selling it to the other people. But I tried to go to them and talk to them, but every time they told me that this is the way the business has been done in Solapur. So you will never get the clear titles, or there will be always some problems regarding the documents. And yeah, I couldn't trust them 100%. Even if I buy, you are not sure that maybe down the line, 3-4 years down the line, a court case might come up or a legal issue might come up, and that can jeopardize your entire investment. So because of that, I didn't invest at all. And when I came to Lanson, yeah, these things were pretty much clear. And yeah, that's why I think that's the major difference between the Lanson and other property dealers or other private real estate private dealers or companies. In Europe, the growth is stagnant. They are growing at the rate of 0 or 0.1 to 1%, and investing there will not give you any returns. Even if you keep the money in bank, you will not get hardly 1 to 3% of the interest rate, which is not at all lucrative. But India is growing with 6-7%, or you can say maybe will grow by 9%, and we have tremendous scope for the growth in India. So yeah, and you invest the money in land or open plots, and you might double it within span of couple of years. And that's why everybody wants to invest in India, and that is the reason I'm not looking into the European market for the investment, and I'm looking especially in my hometown or in Pune, yeah, for the investment purpose. Yeah, I will definitely tell them that these people are trustworthy. Don't take my word, but you can go ahead and check the documents, check the legal things, and if you find it okay, you can go ahead and do the business with them. So I think and people for sure will trust Lanson. And I guess I guess they are already pretty successful in Solapur, and they are changing the way people do the business in Solapur. So they are making other people also very professional, and this kind of professionalism is really important and needed in India, or even in Solapur. Or yeah, India is growing. Yeah, so is Maharashtra or Pune or Solapur or any other place in India. So just take the opportunity and invest. It's better to investment right now than investing 10 years down the line when you might not get same results. So this is, I guess, right now the golden opportunity to invest in India.